Hello everyone, this is Will Nassif from SKIA's Maritime Research Division. Today I'm going to walk you through a couple of features on the new online reporting system. As mentioned in emails, all reports, both artifacts and fossils, will be submitted through this new platform. The State Museum and the Institute are able to review your reports here, and hopefully this will be more convenient for you to file reports in the same place. Anyone with a license at some point in 2023 has had a profile already created for them in the new system. When logging into the site for the first time, you will need to create a unique password for your account. To do so, click the Forgot My Password link below the username and password boxes. Next, use the email address that you have associated with your hobby license. A one-time link will be sent to that email address where you can change your password to something unique to you. When logging in, use your license number as your username and the unique password you created earlier. You will now be at the main menu page for your profile. From here, you can update your personal information by clicking the Update Profile button beneath your contact information. The same button can be found across the ribbon at the top of the web page. To file an artifact or fossil report, select the Create Report option. The report page looks like the previous online reporting system. You still have to enter in the quarter and year for which the report is filed. If you have made no recoveries of either fossils or artifacts, you can leave these two No options selected. Select the checkbox confirming your report is accurate and complete. Hit Submit, and you are all done. This report will populate in your profile automatically. You can view your submitted report by selecting the magnifying glass in the bottom right of the web page. If you have recovered artifacts or fossils, you will select the Yes option under the appropriate category. This will open the relevant sections for artifact and fossil reporting. Dive information is needed for all reports filed. Please note that you must enter a date, the body of water, and a specific location for your report, or else you will not be able to submit your report. Moving down, you can upload any supporting documents or images and other files to accompany your report. You are able to attach images and documents up to 10 megabytes in size. Keep moving down to see the familiar categories, which you can open and fill in as needed. When finished, select the checkbox confirming your report is accurate and complete, hit Submit, and you're all done. Once again, this report will populate in your profile automatically. You can view your submitted report by selecting the magnifying glass in the bottom right of the web page. You will be able to edit your submitted reports when we return them to you. This would happen if we request further information about the finding's location, description, etc. You can do so by clicking on the pencil icon that will appear underneath the Manage heading on the gray ribbon. Doing so will return you to your report screen where you can edit your report. You can also view the comments attached to the report at the top of the page. You should receive an email with the comments attached as well. Please note the three statuses for your report: the overall status, the artifact status, and the fossil status. Underneath those headings will be one of three options: approved, pending, or returned. Approved means that your report has been reviewed and approved by the appropriate agency. Pending means that we have not yet reviewed your report. And returned means we have questions about a particular aspect of your report. Once you make the appropriate corrections, your status will change to approved. The overall status of your report will change when both artifact and fossil statuses are approved. Those are the basics of the new site. We hope that this will be an improved reporting system for all hobby licensees. If you have any questions, concerns, or problems with the new site, please don't hesitate to reach out to us via the mrd@sc.edu email address. Look forward to seeing what you recover.